Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Koch and I'm a dietetics major at BGSU. I'm expected to graduate in May of 2022. So I'm involved with BGSU Ending Hunger. I'm a project coordinator there and have been for 8 months. So what BGSU Ending Hunger does is we're a program that fights for food justice and equity, not only for BGSU and our community, but also on a regional and global level. So we're involved with research and advocacy. We have direct service, like our mobile food pantry, which I've been very fortunate to volunteer with. And at one point or another, we all experience tough times, and it feels really good to give back to not only students, but also our faculty, staff, community members, to be able to talk to people and make those connections. BGSU is really just all about community, and it's just a great place to be. And I love working for Center for Public Impact. Shout out to my coworkers. I love you guys. I love all the student volunteers, and I hope to see you guys there.